In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Gmail, whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC. In just 5 minutes, you'll be navigating your Gmail interface with ease and clarity, whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or traditional browser menus. First things first, let's open your Gmail. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and fire up your browser and head over to your Gmail inbox. This is crucial because these steps are best followed when you're actually looking at the Gmail interface. Once you're in Gmail, using keyboard shortcuts is often the fastest way to manage your view settings. If you're using a Windows computer, this is incredibly straightforward. Hold down the control key and at the same time press the minus key. And there you go, you'll notice the contents of your page minimizing, giving you a zoomed out view. Now Mac users, I haven't forgotten about you. The process is similar. On a Mac, hold down the command key and then press the minus key. Instantly, just like on Windows, you'll see everything on your Gmail page get smaller. This reduction in size can help you get an overview of a packed inbox or make the reading pane fit better to your preference. But what if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing, or you're looking for a more visual way to adjust your view? That's where browser zoom controls come into play. These settings can be accessed through the top menu of your browser, usually labeled as View. This is a handy alternative if you want fine control over your screen's zoom level without memorizing multiple key combinations. To do this, click on View in your browser's menu bar. From there, navigate to Zoom and you'll see the Zoom Out option. By selecting this, your Gmail page will zoom out, much like with keyboard shortcuts. It's a user-friendly method that gives you visual confirmation as you make your adjustments. These versatile techniques ensure that whether you're navigating a crowded inbox or simply trying to see more of your messages at once, you're equipped to handle it effortlessly. Zooming out can help reduce scrolling fatigue and give you a clearer picture, especially if you're flipping through email threads or managing multiple conversations. With these easy tricks, you should feel more in control of your Gmail interface. Each of these steps ensures that whether you're a keyboard whiz or a traditional menu explorer, you're covered when it comes to zooming out and managing your digital space. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Gmail experience, making sure you can work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.